I can bet that we have over 1,000 Telegram mini apps or Telegram tapping games as at the time of filming this video, and we are still going to see more. But the hard reality is that not all of them are out there to make you and I money. Some of them, in fact, a good percentage of them are out there to scam you and I. Okay, so it becomes very important that you pay very close attention to whatever you're doing. I'm going to give you a few things that you need to watch out for to avoid losing all your coins or getting scammed. Very quickly, one of them is never make any form of payment if you are tapping any game. If you're farming points for any airdrop, never make any form of payment, no matter how genuine they look. Okay, let me give you an example of what I'm talking about. This game right here is one of the Telegram mini apps I am farming, and if you look very closely here, it has got a boost function. Okay, clicking on this is gonna bring me to a page that would require me to pay 100 TRX for me to boost my mining. This is what I'm talking about. If you're farming any game and they've got a package where you would be required to make some payment in order to boost your mining or tapping speed or whatever jargon or language they use for it, never try it, okay? Because you might be getting scammed. You don't know the faces behind these apps and games. You could be getting yourself into trouble, okay? Even though this game promises to pay out whatever you earn, I do not trust it, and I would never subscribe to any paid version of the game. Okay, so make sure you do not make any form of payment on any game at all. Just using this as an example. Now let's move to the next point. Another very important point is be very careful when it comes to connecting your wallet. Okay, because some of these games, like I said earlier on, are actually out there to scam you and I. If you connect your wallet to the wrong Telegram mini app, your wallet could be drained. Okay, now this is why what I'm saying is very important. If you connect multiple games to the same wallet, and let's say you make the mistake of connecting a scam project to a wallet that contains a lot of other projects that are genuine, there is a possibility that the scam project could drain your airdrops. Okay, they will just be there waiting for you to receive your airdrops, and then you just log into your wallet. You will notice that all your farmed tokens would have probably been drained by the wrong project you connected to the same wallet. Okay, so let me show you what I'm talking about. This game right here is one project I'm farming their points, okay, or farming their token, the hold coin. And I'm not saying this is a scam. I want to use this to show you an example. You can see right here, I'm requested to connect my wallet, and most of these games would require you to connect a turn-based wallet. Okay, so now what I'm going to do is I'm going to go to my Turnkeeper wallet. You can see that this right here is the wallet that is connected to Hamster Kombat. Okay, now if I want to connect another game or project that requires me to connect Turnkeeper or a turn-based wallet, okay, what I can do is instead of connecting it to this same wallet, okay, I would create a different wallet for it. To do that, click on this, and down here you can see I can go to wallet 2 or wallet 3, or even click on add another wallet. Okay, so let me click on wallet 2. I can just customize this wallet. So what I can do now is to click on the settings icon and go to where it says customize wallet, and here now I can click on this, remove wallet 2, and just name it hold coin, because that's the coin I want to connect to this. Okay, so hold coin, click on save. Now I have it saved. Now you can click on this to review your secret recovery phrase for this wallet, write it somewhere safe. So now why this is important is that when you connect HoldCoin to this wallet, if HoldCoin happens to be a scam or a project that wants to drain your wallet, there's nothing to drain, okay, because you connected it to just one wallet. You've got no other assets here, okay, so they cannot drain my farmed hamster tokens probably when I would get the airdrops. Okay, this right here cannot drain the other wallet, that is this one right here, it cannot drain it. because I connected HoldCoin to a different wallet. I hope you get what I'm saying. So let me actually do the connection now, so you see what I'm saying. Before you start the connection, ensure that on your Tonkeeper wallet that you are on the wallet you want to connect to. So now back to the HoldCoin game. I am prompted to connect my wallet. I'm going to click on connect to Ton, and of course you can see right here it says connect, so I'm going to click on connect. I'm connecting to Tonkeeper. Click on this, so you can see the wallet here. I hope you can see it. HoldCoin, connect to this. Okay, I'm connecting this wallet. Click on connect, and of course now my wallet is connected. So this way I'll be on a safer side to avoid getting into issues, so I can switch back to the one that is connected to my Hamster Kombat. Okay, so this is what you can do if you're farming 10, 20. It is safer to do it this way. Okay, personally these are the ones I am farming. About how many of them, you can see their links. If you want to farm the ones I'm farming, just join my Telegram group. You're gonna see my pinned post. Okay, that way you'll be able to get access to these games. Okay, the fact that I'm the one farming them doesn't mean they are safe. Okay, of course you need to take precautionary measures, just as I am explaining, not to run into issues. And the essence of this video is to warn you not to just keep joining. If you must join, make sure to take precautionary measures to avoid stories that touch. This is it for this video. This is Big Zelbies and Zagat Ken signing off for now.